Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating your license and tying it to your Microsoft account so reactivation is simple. Next, make a full disk image and a bootable USB recovery drive. That image is your safety net. Once done, enable System Restore and BitLocker to protect files and integrity. Pause Windows Update temporarily while you configure settings and install essential drivers and apps. You're doing these steps now to ensure stable baseline state before you move into longer-term preservation. Now you stabilize. Set Windows Update to a metered connection or use local group policy to defer feature upgrades and avoid disruptive updates. Make incremental disk images weekly and verify checksums. Also store an image offsite or in cloud storage. Run antivirus scans and limit daily work to a standard user account so infections are less likely. Once done, use a virtual machine for legacy or risky applications so your main system remains pristine and rollback is trivial. Finish by locking in maintenance routines. Keep one verified clean system image offline, export UEFI/BIOS settings, and document drivers so you can rebuild quickly. Monitor SSD and HDD health and replace failing parts timely. Maintain at least one spare clone drive for instant swap. Make a habit of monthly verification and critical patching on a test image first. If something goes wrong, restore your clean image. If restore fails, boot recovery media and run chkdsk, then sfc/scano to repair system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.